Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic genetic lines in 3D. Question is given. Find the equation to the genetic lines of the hyperboloid. Hyperboloid is given by x square by 4 plus of y square by 9 minus of z square by 16 is equal to 1, which passes through the points 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 by 3. Let's solve the problem. Given paraboloid is x square by 4 plus of y square by 9 minus of z square by 16 is equal to 1. Let this is question 1 and the point is which passes through the given points. So we have to write here equation of any line through the given points this is 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 by 3. We have to write the equation of line here. This is x minus of 2 upon L is equal to y plus of 1 upon m is equal to z minus of 4 by 3 is equal to n upon n. Let this is equal to r, and from here we have to calculate the value of x, y, z which is satisfied by the given paraboloid. From here first we have to calculate it. X minus of 2 upon L is equal to r. We get here x minus of 2 is equal to LR, L cross multiplication with R. This gives x is equal to LR plus of 2. Similarly, we have to solve for y. This is y plus of 1 by m is equal to r. M multiply with r. This gives y plus of 1 is equal to mr, and y is equal to mr minus of 1. This is the value of y and this is the value of x. And for the third part we have to solve z minus 4 by 3 upon n is equal to r. N multiply with r. This gives z minus of 4 by 3 is equal to r nr, and z is equal to nr plus of 4 by 3. If these points x, y, z lies on the paraboloid, if this point lies on the paraboloid, so we have to put in the value of x, y, z in the given paraboloid. We get here LR plus of 2 का whole square by 4 plus y, the value of y is mr minus of 1 का whole square by 9, and minus of z, the value of z is nr plus 4 by 3, nr plus 4 by 3 का whole square by 16 is equal to 1. We have to simplify the given equation. Solving LR plus of 2 का whole square open, we get here L square into R square plus of 4 plus of 4 LR upon 4 plus of here mr minus of 1 का whole square we have to open, we get here m square into R square plus of 1 minus of 2mr upon 9. Similarly, we have to solving for nr plus 4 by 3 का whole square opening, we get here n square into r square plus of 16 upon 9 plus of 8 nr upon 3 and whole upon 16 is equal to 1. Further we can put L square into R square by 4 by 4. Each term of numerator is taking upon 4, and similarly for this portion is also, and further we have to solve. We have to solving here, we get L square into R square by 4 and plus of 4 by 4 and plus of 4 LR upon 4. Similarly for this part we can also write here m square into R square upon 9 and plus of 1 by 9, and here is minus of 2mr upon 9. And similarly we have to multiply with minus and take equal to 0. We get here minus of n square into r square upon 16, and minus of 16 by 9 upon 16, this is into 16, and minus of 8 nr by 3 into 16 is equal to 1. And from here we have to cancel out. 4 to 4 is cancel out. Here is also 4 to 4 is cancelled, and 16 to 16 is cancel out. And from here we can also 8 to the 16, we can also cancel out the term once again, n square by 16. And further we have to write here, this is l square into r square by 4, and we have to take in plus of m square into r square by 9. And for the last we have to write in minus of n square into r square by 16. And further we have to write here plus of LR. Here is minus of 2 by 9 mr, and here is minus of nr upon 6, and constant term here is plus of 1. Here is plus of 1 by 9, and here is also 16 to 16 is cancel out. Here is minus of 1 by n is equal to 1. Minus of 1 by n and plus of 1 by n is cancel out, and 1 is taken equal to 0. This is 1 to 1 is also cancel out, and this then the remaining is here. This is l square into r square by 4. From here we have to take common r square. From this l square into r square by 4 plus of m square into r square by 9 minus of n square into r square by 16. We have to take in common r square. We get here l square by 4 plus of m square by 9 minus of n square by 16 into r square, plus here we have to take lr minus of 2 by 9 into mr minus of nr upon 6. From here we have to take common r. We get here L minus of 2 by 9 m and minus of n by 6 into r is equal to 0. And let this equation second. If equation 1 will be generating line of equation 2, then we have to put here l square by 4 plus of m square by 9 minus of n square by 16 is equal to 0, and l minus of 2 by 9 into m minus of n upon 6 is equal to 0. And we have to solving these two equations, we get the value of lmn. And from here we can also use from here, this is n l minus of 2 by 9 into m is equal to n by 6. Minus of n by 6 is taken to left hand side, and from here we get n is equal to l minus of 2 by 9 into m into 6. This is the value of n, and we have to putting the value of n in this equation. We get here, this is, we have to solving here once again. We have to putting in the n is equal to in the given equation. We get here, this is l square by 4 plus of m square by 9 and minus of n square. Here n is equal to l minus of 2 by 9 into m into 6, and from here we have to get n square. N square is given by l minus of 2 by 9 into m का whole square into 36. So we have to put here in place of n square, this is 36 into l minus 2 m upon n का whole square and whole upon 16. Whole upon 16 is equal to 0, and we have to solve this equation. Solving this equation, we get here this is L square by 4 plus of M square by 9, and here we have to open. First we have to cancel out the terms. 4 9 is 36 and 4 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, and we get here we have to open here minus of 9 by 4 and open L minus 2 by 2m upon 9 का whole square. We get here L square plus of 4m square upon 81, 4m square upon 81, and minus of 2b. We get here minus of 4 lm upon 9, and further we can also solve. And this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0, and we have to solving here. This is L square by 4 plus of M square by 9, and multiplying with 9 by 4 we get here minus of 9 by 4 into L square, and minus of 9 by 4 into 4 by 81 M square, and minus of 9 by 4 here minus multiply, this is plus, and this is 4 by 9 into Lm is equal to 0, and from here 4 to 4 is cancel out, 9 to 9 is cancel out, and here is 4 to 4 is cancel out, 9 9 is 81, and remaining is here, this is remaining is L square by 4 plus of L square by 4 plus of M square by 9. M square by 9 here minus of 9 L square by 4, and from here we have to write here minus of M square by 9 and plus of Lm is equal to 0. Lm is equal to 0, and further we can also solve taking L square by 4 and minus of 9 L square by 4 in one bracket, taking LCM is here 4, and this is L square minus of 9 L square, and plus of M square by 9 and minus of M square by 9 is cancelled out, and plus of Lm is equal to 0, and from here we get L square minus of 9 L square is minus of 8 L square by 4 plus of Lm is equal to 0, and we have to cancel out 4 to the 8. We get here 2L square plus of minus of 2L square plus of Lm is equal to 0, and taking L common once again, L square is common. Taking L common here, this is L, and minus of 2L plus of M is equal to 0, and from here we get a 2 value here. First we have to get L is equal to 0. First we have to get L is equal to 0, and second is minus of 2L plus of M is equal to 0. We get here M is equal to 2L. M is equal to 2L, and from here we have to putting the value of L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 and M is equal to 2L in the given equation, and given equation we can find the value of another. From here we have to put N is equal to here, N is equal to L minus of 2 by 9 into M into 6 here. So we have to put L is equal to 0 here. We get N is equal to 0 minus of 2m upon 9 into 6. We get here N is equal to minus of 12m upon 9. Minus of 12m upon 9. And from here we have to cancel out the term. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. We get here n is equal to 30. We get here n is equal to minus of 4m upon 3, and from here we can also write here this is n upon minus of 4 is equal to m upon 3, and we have to write the first equation here. We have to write in first equation here. This is l is equal to 0, so we have to write here l by 0 is equal to here m by 3. M by 3 is equal to n by minus of 4. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. We have to fill the in. This is the first equation, and further we have to solve once again. Further we have to solve m is equal to 2l. First we have to solve l is equal to 0 here. We get the equation here l by 0 is equal to, we get here l by 0 is equal to, here is m by 3 is equal to n by minus of 4. This is the equation, and further we have to solve for m is equal to 2l, putting in the given equation n is equal to l minus of 2m upon 9 into 6. So we have to put in n is equal to l minus of 2 by 9 into, here put the value of m here, m is equal to 2l into 6. We have to solving, we get here n is equal to l minus of 2 to the 4, this is minus of 4l upon 9 into 6, and we have to solving 9l minus 9l taking LCM here, this is 9l minus of 4, we get 5l upon 9 into 6, and cancel out the terms, 3 to the 6 and 3 is the 9. We get here n is equal to 10l upon 3, and from here we have to find once again, we have to writing here this is n by 10 is equal to l upon 3, and further we have to put n is equal to 10l upon 3, and here we have to put m is equal to 2l. From here we can also l is equal to m upon 2. L is equal to m upon 2. So we have to put in here l is equal to 10 in 10 by 3, and in place of l we have to put in m by 2, and from here we have to take this is 10m upon 6, and we can also write here n by 10 is equal to m by 6, and the second equation we have to write in here, this is l by 3 is equal to m by 6 is equal to n by 10, and using the following result we have to write the l by 0, this is 0, l by 0 is equal to m by 3, and this is equal to n upon minus of 4, and using the these two results we have to write the generating lines of the equation. So we have to using the following equation of any line through the given points, and we have to write the following equation. This is given by, we have to writing this is x minus of 2 upon, here n is 0 is equal to y plus of 1, here m is 3, is equal to n upon, here is z minus, one second, z minus of 4 by 3, and here is n is minus of 4. This is the first equation of generating line. Similarly, we have to use the following result. We have to write the second equation of generating lines. This is x minus of 2 upon 3 is equal to y plus of 1 upon 6 and z minus of 4 by 3 upon 10. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class and thank you for watching.